In this video, I will be showing you how to add a photo frame in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen and click on the Templates tab at the top to explore some layout options. I'm going to select the Instagram post category to see what's available. As I scroll through the results, I can see a wide variety of styles, from holiday themes like St. Patrick's Day to professional layouts for company profiles and price lists. There are designs for almost every niche, including gardening, food delivery, and fashion. It's a great way to find inspiration, but for this project, I want to start with a completely fresh slate. I'll scroll back to the top of the page and click on the Create Blank option with the plus icon to open a new design. Now that my blank canvas is ready, I'll head over to the sidebar on the left and click on the Elements tab. I'll scroll down past the initial graphics and shapes until I find the Frames section, and then I'll click See All to view the entire library. Frames are perfect for giving your photos a specific shape or style. I'm looking for a classic photography look, so I'll scroll down to the Film and Photo category and click See All again. I'll select this Polaroid-style frame, which instantly appears on my canvas. To make it the center of attention, I'll grab the corners and drag them outward to significantly increase the size. I'll also reposition it on the page, using the alignment guides to ensure it's perfectly centered. Now I need a beautiful image to place inside the frame. I'll go back to the search bar in the Elements tab and type in the word picture. I'll click on the Photos tab to filter the results for high-quality photography. I'll scroll through and find an image I like, such as this white flower. To finish the design, I'll simply click and drag the photo directly over the frame. It snaps right into place, automatically cropping the image to fit the frame perfectly. And that's it.